Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be installing this 99J wig from this Amazon company. It's called YMSGIRL. I will be uploading all the details of the hair in the description box below. And this is a 4x4 closure wig, and I want to say 18 or 20 inches. But the hair straightens pretty well, and I did not bleach the knots. I was feeling lazy, but if you want to go that extra mile, then you can. Also, I only plucked the hair out a little bit. So for this look, I wanted to do like red eyebrows. I mean like 99J eyebrows. They were like red, because if I wanted it red, I probably would have to put concealer on my eyebrows. Because you can see me here, I first put a little bit of got to be so my eyebrows would like rake up, and then I go in with this burgundy pencil. I got the pencil from the beauty supply store, and I lined the outline of my eyebrows. Bro, don't judge me for this broken behind palette. I'm so like sorry. I'm very sorry. But I used a red eyeshadow palette. I got this one from Vllo place. I kind of mixed it, like anything red and burgundy, that's what I use in my eye. So I used the Vllo one, and I used what's your name? It was a Morphe palette, Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, but it's a small skinny white one. I'm gonna try to upload a picture of it on this video. Eyebrows, so honestly it wasn't red enough for me, so I honestly ended up putting like a little eyeshadow brush on top of that, so the lines were basically useless after that, I guess. I mean, if you still want to do it, you can. And then I brushed it out, which actually took out some of the red. So yeah, that's why I went in with, I wanted it to be more red than that, so I added more shadow. You'll see in this video what I do. And the concealer I'm using in this video is the LA Pro Concealer Fawn mixed with Chestnut. And in this part, you'll see me use the brush thing I was talking about. So I just brushed some more red shadow on top of it because I felt like it wasn't red enough. Like, it was cute, but I wanted a little bit more redder. But I ended up doing the look I always do, so I didn't really like post it. If y'all do want me to do a complete makeup look tutorial, maybe I'll post it. Let me know in the comment section below, and I can do that for y'all. So yeah, I feel like the brows were a pretty good match to the hair. And you'll see me put some alcohol to remove the makeup from my forehead, so I'm able to put on this closure wig. I decided to skip the ball cap method because I was feeling very lazy, but I'm pretty sure, I mean, with closure wigs, you don't really do ball cap, I think. Yeah, you don't. Like, you just put the wig on. But you can see me put on the Ebin lace spray. And after that, I use my blow dryer to dry the lace on top of the spray. Later, it's time to get off. And I also want to add layers to the wig. So you see me in this part, I was debating whether to add layers then or to add edges then. So I decided to do the edges first. Honestly, I probably should have done the layers first. I should have done the layers while my hair was drying after I installed it. But it's whatever. So I ended up doing the edges first. So I separate out some hairs from my edges, and then I used my razor and I cut it where my eye is, so I have enough hair, and I know I have enough hair. If I want it shorter, I will cut it as I'm like laying it down. And I used Nairobi mousse to lay down my edges this time. I did use a little bit of the Got To Be gel where the lace is at, so the hairs could lay flatter. Now for the layers, I did want to do that like 90s kind of front layered hair look. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah. So I took out hair from the front of my ear. I was debating between behind my ear and the front of my ear. So I started with the front of my ear, and then as I continued, I decided to cut more and more layers into the hair. I used this razor comb, but it was getting real dull, so I did end up like going in with some scissors instead. Yeah, because the razor was real dull. Like I could not cut nothing. But yeah, you guys, I am definitely not a hairstylist. I just do what I could do at home. So if you're looking for professional advice, baby, that is not me. I just did what I do. But yeah, you guys, that was the final look, and the hair looks so nice. Like, wow, I feel like a strawberry shortcake. This is literally a whole nother day, but this is how the wig is looking. I did 2 little swoops on the side. You like the brows? I did the brows again too. My mom said I look cute, so I was like, okay, period. You know Haitians, you know, when they see colored hair and stuff like that, you know how they be feeling. So if she said I look cute, that means I look cute. Yeah, let me know what wigs I'm gonna review next. My Shein review, I actually have my Shein wigs now, so that's probably gonna be the next hair I put on. After this one, I'm going to put on one of my Shein wigs. I'm probably gonna do the water wave first, so be on the lookout for that. That is dropping real soon. So that's probably either gonna be the next video or the video after that. But yeah, I hope you guys appreciate this video. I hope it was cute for you guys. I love closure wigs so much because it's just, you just do the top and you go. Like, but yeah, if this is cute, like the video. I might snap a flit. I could not find the pants to this sweater, to the sweat jumpsuit, whatever. I don't know where the pants were. I don't know if I left in Miami. Oh, add me on TikTok. I'm about to take dumb TikToks with this hair. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.